issues, collaborate. And we talk about all of this in the training. Some of you have been to these trainings, and I'm just not sure why you guys are not using it. Are you in denial that you got issues too? These issues are not germane to our clients. Come on now, we have some of the exact same issues as our clients. And if you had your cards for a while, you don't work through a lot of them, but don't think that these issues won't reappear in other. You might have conquered them with your clients, but you still get triggered by your supervisor. So it is very important. TheraVision is a key element of the program. And I'm just, some people are using it on themselves, but I'm just not really getting the amount of people talking about TheraVision. They talk about all these other components of the lives that bind, and then when we start talking about TheraVision, I hear crickets. And I'm saying it is like, why wouldn't you not want to do this? Why would you want to not meet together as professionals if it's only once a month to talk about a difficult case or a client that's pushing your buttons that you're having to work through, that you be having to deactivate, or talk about a group, like why you avoiding doing group therapy, because when you in the group, you got 15 people in a group and you don't want to do the group because 8 of them is pushing your button and you can't deactivate fast enough. So why wouldn't you want to go through TheraVision and have us simulate that experience so you can practice deactivating? And trust me, we will simulate that very well. We will intentionally, in a safe setting, issue a stimuli. It's called exposure therapy. I'm very good at it. All right. So that's all. You have officially completed the 4th webinar recording, which is like the 4th module in the recertification. You are done. You just have to do your written exercises, and you also have to complete quiz 2 that covers part 3 and 4. Get all of your written exercises, your quiz together for me, send it back to me, and I will send you your certificate. And after you send me all of that, I'm also going to send you an evaluation, because I would like to know how you felt about these 4 modules. How was it for you, the online experience as opposed to the in-person 2-day training? Do you think I need to change or add something? So I want feedback. Like Kim Blanchard says, feedback is the breakfast of champions. I can only improve and get better with feedback. Okay? So thank you for being one of my people who helped me get this together, and I will talk to you soon.